In this video, we're gonna uncover the sauce on how to hop on this train. But I'm gonna be honest, YouTube isn't just going under some magical, mysterious boost where you can just like hop on real quick and become a famous content creator. Hell no. This shit still requires hard work. But I will tell you 5 steps to start and become successful. But you gotta do it. You can't just sit and hope that you're gonna blow up overnight. You might. Shit, go ahead and pray to whoever you pray to make that shit happen. I hope you pray to your own self and put in the work. So here are 5 steps to become successful on YouTube right now before 2025 starts and you start sitting around being like, oh, I didn't do it. Number 1, hop on the trending train. That's right. Most of y'all not gonna like this, but you gotta hop on the trending train, right? So right now I see a lot of videos that are like, you need to do this right now. The algorithm on YouTube is on easy mode. La-di-da-di-da. Listen, there is no easy mode. What there is an algorithm. You hop on the motherfucking algorithm and guess what? Your material is going to boost, because essentially what's happening is you're feeding into YouTube, right? You're feeding into what the capitalist reality is of YouTube, which is like sponsor us, sponsor YouTube, sponsor us, sponsor YouTube. You sponsor YouTube, most likely they're gonna sponsor you. Number 2, make good, engaging content. I'm tired of y'all being like, I posted it, nothing working. It's easy to fall into being a victim. But listen, nothing's gonna work if you are making shit. Maybe it will. Maybe you can be like a shit content creator and people like it because it's real. But for most of us, nah, it ain't gonna work. Number 3, find your editing style. Is your editing style vlog material? Is your editing style more comic-like? You gotta find your own editing style and practice and practice and practice. Number 4, create good thumbnails, all right? Don't just copy and paste someone's thumbnail. Don't do that. Research what makes you want to click on stuff. And that leads me to number 5, study yourself. Always on this channel, we talk about what it means to be embodied, to be a spiritual being, and to be self-aware. None of this matters if you're not self-aware. In fact, I should have led with this one. Number 1 is self-awareness always. You need to know what calls you in. You need to know what gets your dopamine spike. You need to know what basically works. What's the clickbait? Study it and try to embody it. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. That's all I got. You ain't gotta leave yourself. In fact, I hope you stay with yourself, but you gotta get off of here and get to work. Peace.